Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to try the FizzBuzz challenge for the first time. I'm in day 5 of the 100 Days of Code challenge, so I'm going to create a new REPL here. We'll call it FizzBuzz Attempt 1. Okay. So as I understand that, every time a number is divisible by 3 and 3 only, uh, you print out fizz. Every time a number is divisible by 5 and not 3, print out buzz. And every time a number is divisible by 3 and 5, you print out FizzBuzz. Okay, so start with the range. So for number in range, we're going to do numbers 1 to 100, so 1 to 101 with our range. Okay, we're going to have, I don't know, maybe a couple of variables. So, yeah. So I'm going to say, that div is let's see, div is 3 equals number modulo 3. Div is 5 equals number modulo 5. Div is 15. Oh, div is, yeah, that's all we need. So we'll start if div is 3 equals 0, meaning it's divisible by 3, and div is 5. Let's see, is, well, just a greater than 0. I have to learn the not equals. Okay, then, whoops, then what do I need to do? Well, I want to print fizz. If div is 5 equals 0 and div is 3 is greater than 0, we're going to print buzz. And this will be at elif. Okay, and then let's see, elif div is 3 equals 0 and div is 5 equals 0. We're going to print FizzBuzz. And if they're not, we're just going to print the number. Let's test that. 99, yep, divisible by 3. 100 divisible by 5. Let's pick, let's see, 15 should be FizzBuzz. Yep. Yeah, let's see. Yep. 18 should be Fizz. 20 should be Buzz. 30 should be FizzBuzz. Okay, I think I did it. So that wasn't that hard. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope this gives you some ideas if you're trying to solve the FizzBuzz challenge. Have a great day.